Hi everyone. Good morning guys. Audio both are clear. Everyone, audio and video both are clear of you, right? Right. So here will be continuing our discussions, right? And now I think full slide is visible, unlike yesterday, right? Yesterday it was not visible that much now, so now it is fully visible. Yes, absolutely right. Okay. All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? So what is that referral code you have to use, everyone? RP Civil is the code you have to use, sir. Where we have to use, sir? So just below this video, above this your live chat, you will be having that blue color pinned varna Unacademy Gate ESE Civil flat 20%. That blue color pin is there na. You just click on that pin. You just click on that pin, and what happens? You can say after clicking on that pin, you will be redirected to this Unacademy subscription link. There you have to use which one? RP Civil code and subscribe to this plus and iconic courses, right? Whatever the course you wanted to subscribe, for how much duration you wanted to subscribe, okay? So this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is that RP Civil referral code, right? You have to use. Good morning everyone. Anybody is there in the class? These are all the subjects I'll be taking, in Unacademy already. Now these are GATE 2023 toppers from Unacademy, right? In top 10, right? Next time you wanted to get your name and this photo in this na, you have to work hard, you have to work smart, right? You have to solve PYQs for 2 times 3 times. For that only you have to take the subscription, right? So suppose till now if you are not habituated to this Unacademy app, you just download this Unacademy learning app and go with that, right? As now search my profile RP Civil and you can find it, right? You can find every class related to me, right? From tomorrow onwards these classes will be continued, right? Yesterday part 1, today part 2 we have done now. So next part 3 onwards I'll be doing only in the special class, all of you, right? So don't miss the special classes. So this is 10% price drop you'll be having and flat 20% off plus extra months you'll be having. So what is that code you have to use for availing this offer? RP Civil is a code you have to use, right? So this is 18 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 6 plus 1, right? Means 18 months if you take 3 months extra, 9 months if you take 2 months extra, 6 months if you take 1 month extra, you'll be getting, right? 18 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 6 plus 1, right? For iconic also like that only. These are the amounts you will be paying. What is that code you have to use? RP Civil is the code you have to use, all of you. Now from August 25th to this August 31st, this is a free special classes will be there in this Unacademy app, right? So what are the advantages of this Unacademy app? Yeah, Shruti, Jagrati, good morning. So what are the advantages of this Unacademy app? You can chat live with this educator, top educators, right? You can attempt which one, this interactive polls, right? Here many people are saying now the questions I am giving, timer I can give, but poll I cannot give now. So that is what get your doubts clear, right? You can ask your doubt, you can send, you can just talk to the educator, top educator in your voice also, right? By raising your hand, as now these kind of things are there. So this is the latest batch that is going to start on August 30, right? Jaspal sir will be starting building materials, right? So what is that you have to use? Right? RP Civil is the code you have to use, all of you. So for 2025 also this batch is starting, all of you. RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone, right? Those who are taking this iconic subscription, they will be getting these benefits, these books along with the plus benefits. So now Unacademy is giving this option. What is that option? 0% interest on this EMI is also there, right? You can go with 0% interest on this EMI, right? Now first chapter, simple stresses and strains we are doing, right? Properties of materials, simple stresses and strains, right? First lecture we have done now yesterday. 5 questions we have done, right? All of you, yesterday we have done these 5 questions now. Now today we'll be doing this second lecture. So that is simple stresses and strains part 2. Second lecture we'll be doing. So select the answer. Now everything is visible clearly, it seems, right? Yes, now? Yeah, I have started the timer. We just try to solve this. I think my image only not visible clearly, na? One sec. I'll just try to modify that. Now it looks clearly, I think so. Yeah, now check it. Attractive status 5 million. Check it now. Now it's clear now, my image. It is okay right now? Right. Okay. Which one is the answer? Thirty seconds more time. Jagrati, Shruti, attractive status 5 million, said C only as the answer. Any other answer by others? Right, the time gets over. This is your which question you can say? This is your question number 6 now. Already 5 questions we have done, right, in the yesterday's class. This is question number 6, right? The terms in terms of this bulk modulus K and modulus of rigidity G and Poisson's ratio can be expressed as, right? How you can express this Poisson's ratio, everyone, if you just observe, you can express like this, na? How can you express this? If you just observe, we can express in this manner, right? What is it you can say? You'll be having that E equal to that 2G into 1 plus mu, na? And what is that? E will be equal to, that is 3K into that 1 minus mu, or not, everyone, right? This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, right? If you are equating these two, what happens that 1 is equal to the 2 means, what is that? 2G plus 2G mu is equal to, that is your 3K minus which one? This is 3K mu, right? We want mu na, so that's why I done like that, right? So this 2G I'll be sending to other side, right? This is your 2G mu, this 3K mu I'll be sending to left hand side, right? So plus 3K mu is equal to which one? This is 3K minus this 2G, right? 2G mu na, 2G into 1 plus mu na, so no, 2G into 1 plus mu, right? 2G into 1 plus mu, 3K into 1 minus 2 mu, 1 minus 2 mu, yes, 1 minus 2 mu, sorry. 3 into 2 is 6K mu, na? Yes, that is 6K mu, yes, correct, 6K mu, that is 6K mu. Now if you take this mu common, what is it you can say? If you take this mu common, right, what is it you are having? What is it you are having? This is your 6K plus this 2G, na? Yes, 6K plus this 2G equal to 3K minus this 2G, right? So now what is it you can say, that mu will be equal to which one? 3K minus this 2G divided by this 6K plus this 2G, right? As now, is there any option matching with this? Yeah. Is there any option matching with this, all of you? 3K minus 2G by 6K plus 2G, right? 3K minus 2G by 6K plus 2G, right? Option C will be matching, or not, all of you? Yes, option C will be matching absolutely, right? So shall I move to the next question, all of you? 7th question. Shall I? So I'll be moving on to this question, 7th question. So I'll be giving how much time, right? 1 minute time only I'll give. Try to answer all of you. Jagrati said D. Any other answer by others? Shruti said B. Sai Teja said B. Right. So what is that you can say? Two bars, one of this material A and of this material B of this same length are tightly secured between the two unyielding walls, right? Unyielding walls means, right, what is that you can say? There will be any yielding of these walls or there is no yielding possible, right? There is no yielding possible now. These are fixed na? Yeah, Akhil, good morning. These are fixed or not? These are the fixed walls, right? Whenever these are fixed walls means, what is that you can say? They will be trying to offer which one? This is a resistance definitely na? They will try to offer a resistance definitely or not? They will try to offer a resistance definitely if you just observe, right? So this is your material A, this is your material B. Right now we are rising the temperature or falling. Coefficient of thermal expansion of bar A is more than that of B. So now what does it mean? Alpha of this A is more than this alpha of this B. When temperature rises, the stresses induced are, right? What happens whenever that temperature rises? So what will happen to this temperature rise? That temperature rises, what will happen? Because of this composite nature, they may try to expand like this na? Both will try to expand together by this much amount na? Yes or no? Yes na? Now what happens, right? Is it happening first of all or it is not happening now, right? It is not happening now. It is not happening, right? When this is not happening, right, what is happening? The reactions will be applied na? The compressive reactions are applied, right? Yes na? Right? So this is which one? These compression reactions will be created. You can say these compressive reactions will be created if you just observe, right? It's not compressive reactions will be created, right? So now tell me, both are under compression only now? Both are in compression only or not everyone? Yes, both are in this compression only. They will try to expand. Both will try to expand together. But what this supports will do? This supports will not allow this expansion. Na? This supports will not allow this expansion, right? So then will not allow this expansion means resistance will be compressive only now. Resistance will be compressive only, right? So which option will be the correct answer? Option D will be the correct answer, right? Like that. So is it clear? Shall I move to the next question of you? Eighth question. This is your question number 8. Okay. Select the answer of you. Select means write the answer, right? Write the answer. Okay, okay. You want me to wait there? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. 1 sec. I'll just stop and I'll go. This one? Okay. Note it and tell me. I'll move on to this next question, 8th question after this is done. Yeah, this one only. I'm waiting now. Question you want me to wait? This one. Okay, okay. Tell me once it is done, tell me. Done, Shruti? Shall I move forward? Right, okay, this question, yeah, I'll start the timer again. Select the answer of you. So for this, shall I do the derivation or directly I'll write the expression? What you want? Okay, don't worry, I'll do it. Because we did not do this derivation in our place class, na? There I said that, okay, it is not required objective examinations point of view. Yeah, Aparna said C is answer. Any other answer by others? Saiteja D. Shruti said C. Okay, we'll check it, right? A column of height capital H and an area at the top A has the same strength throughout its length, right? So can we say it is a bar of uniform strength, or this beam of uniform strength, or this pier or column of this uniform strength under its own weight and applied stress P naught, right? Applied stress is P naught, own weight you are having at the top. Density of the column material is rho. To satisfy the above condition, the area of this column at the bottom should be, right? You are asked to identify area of this column at the bottom. Na? How can you get the area of this column at the bottom if you just observe? Here you can say, we just consider this is, one second. So let us say this is your pier or this column, whatever it is, right? You are asked to identify this area at this bottom. Now you are asked to identify which one, this area at this bottom, you can say, right? Now if you just observe what is that applied, you can say that P naught is that load applied or stress applied. Applied stress P naught, right? Stress is P naught only, right? Increase the thickness of lines. Which line? My drawing lines. I don't know how to do this here actually. It is yeah, it may not be possible here. Yeah, I think it is better I'll take white background from tomorrow onwards, so that white background, on white background if I'll write anything na black, it will be visible easily. Dark one if I'll draw, it is easily visible. White I'll take, okay? Tomorrow onwards white background only I'll take for the solution also, okay? That is better, so that it can be clearly visible. Right. Or shall I take this yellow? So what is that area at this top? You can say that area at this top will be that A na? So no. Now if you consider it, now if you consider what is that you are having at this x distance from this top, you will consider one section, okay? So one portion you consider, okay? So let us say portion of how much length you consider. This is dx portion length you consider, right? Dx portion length you consider, right? So now what is it? Tell me, what is that area at this distance? Tell me, that is A, and can we say area at this section will be, that is your AX? Can we say that area at this section will be which one? This AX, can we say or not? Yes or no? We can say it as AX, right? A suffix X. Area at this X distance, right? If you get the general expression for this area at this X, now we can get the bottom. So what is this? This is your capital H, na? This is your capital H, you can say, right? Now tell me, what is that weight added? area is ax, that dx will be which one? This is the length of element na, that is length of this element considered. If you just observe, right, length of this element considered, right, ax is the area of this element, right. Now tell me, what is that weight added? Tell me, what is that above weight added? Tell me, right, above this portion some weight is n, so now what is this? So this portion weight is n, what is that weight added will be equal to, weight added over this portion will be equal to which one? Over this shaded portion. What is the weight of this member added? What is the weight of this member added, all of you? That is rho g into which one? Rho g is nothing but your gamma na, gamma into that ax into what is it, you can say, that is your a, sorry, that is into which one? This dx, right? Because weight is nothing but which one? What is that weight, you can say? What is that weight, you can say? What is that weight, you can say? If you just observe, weight is nothing but your density into that volume. Now weight density is nothing but your mass density into that acceleration due to gravity. Weight density, weight density into which one? Weight density into that volume na, is a volume. What is that volume? Area at this location ax, and what is the length of this element? Dx na. So this is a weight added due to element na. What is that weight added due to this element, you can say? If that as the x value is changing, a will be changing from this top to this bottom na, yes or no? So what is the value of this x? X is changing from this 0 at top to what? 0 at top to which one? This is h at this bottom na, like that it will be changing, is not that x value. Got it now? But stress remains constant na, area will be changing, but what is that, you can say? But stress remains constant or not? Stress remains constant, but stress remains constant at beam of this uniform strength, it is mentioned na. And now weight is also same, or weight is also, that is dw na, this is your dw, right? This is your weight added, you can say, due to this element, if you just observe, right? Is na? Now if you just observe this, right, what is that, you can say here, all of you, whenever you are considering this element, right, what is this element, right? This element, if you consider na, this element will be like this, top to bottom, that area will be increasing slowly, let us say. So this height will be dx you are having, and what is this? Stress remains the same, means that is the stress p naught into what is it, you can say, area ax is the force na. Now what is that, you can say, at this place, what is that you are having? That is stress remains the same, but what is that area? Here that area will be same, or here area will be different, you can say. Here area will be different na. What is that, you can say? That is your ax plus which one? This is dax, right? Change in the area, right? Ax plus change in that area, right? So this height is dx, right? And at this place, what is it happening for this, you can say? That dw weight, self weight will be acting na. That dw self weight will be acting, or at everyone? Is that clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, everyone? Is not? So now what is that dw, you can say? What is the dw, you can say, right? Rho g into that dw, right? Dw, how can you rewrite this? That dw, a self weight of this elementary area, how can you rewrite? You just rewrite this in this manner, that is ax into dx into that rho g, okay? Ax into the dx into rho g, same only we have written, nothing else we have written. We can write it like this na, ax into gx into that rho g. Now tell me if you just observe, force this side and force that side will be equal na. So here what is that total force? Sum of these vertical forces will be equal to 0, sigma fy equals to 0. If you just observe, what is it, you can say? Downward force is what? That downward force is what? So that is your f downward is equal to that f upward na. F downward is equal to that f upward. What is the f downward, you can say? That is your p naught into that ax plus what is that, this dw na, weight of this element is also acting in the downward direction na. It is equal to what is that, upward force, you can say? That is your p naught into which one, everyone? P naught into ax plus what? Ax plus which one? This is dax na. Ax plus this dax, right? Can we make it like this, right? Like this you are having, right? So is that clear, all of you, up to this point? So from here it is very important, right? Is this clear, all of you, up to this point? Is this clear, all of you, up to this point, right? Now we'll be going further, right? Now what is that we'll be doing? We'll be going further, right? So what is that? We can cancel few things here now. Can we cancel anything here? If you just observe of you, left side, what is that you are having? Left sided P naught into AX. Okay, one second, I'll go with white or yellow. Left side P naught into which one? Okay, your green came. One second. Left side, that is your P naught into that AX plus what is that dw, you can say dw is nothing but your weight of this element. Now what is the weight of this element? AX into what is the weight of this element? AX into that dx into what is it, you can say rho g na, that is that dw na Shruti. dw is nothing but your weight added due to this element, right? What is the weight? Weight of this element, right? What is that? Did I say any moment? I just said that sum of the vertical forces is 0. Force downward direction, force in the downward direction equal to force in the upward direction. That's it, right? It is not the moment. Did I say any moment, Shruti? Did I say any moment here? No. It is not the moment. It is not the moment, right? dw is nothing but your elemental weight, weight of this elemental area, weight of this shaded area. Okay, considered. It is equal to right side. What is it you are having? That is P naught into AX. So left side also P naught into AX is there. That and this will cancel. Plus P naught into this. What is it you can say? P naught into this. What is it? P naught into that DAX. Na? DAX, right? What is it? DAX? Change in the area. Okay. This P naught AX. This P naught AX cancels. Na? That P naught AX and this P naught AX cancels. Or not everyone? Is na? Isn't it? All of you? This P naught AX and that P naught AX cancels, right? We are left with these two terms only, right? What is it you can say? This is your DAX. So means that is DAX is nothing but your change in the area into that P naught equal to which one? This rho into that G into that is which one? This AX into that DX, right? Yes, now how can you get these values? If you just observe, you do the integration. When you apply this integration, what is it you can say? That is your dAX divided by how much? AX equal to what is that? Rho g divided by this P naught dx, right? Can we write it like this, all of you? When you integrate it, when you apply this integrate, what is that you can say? Integral dAX divided by this AX equal to integral rho g by this P naught into that dx. What is that you can say now? So 1 by AX integration is what? 1 by AX integration, 1 by f of x integration is what? Log f of x, na? Yes or no? That is your log f of x, right? Log of this which function you can say? AX. Log of AX, right? Log of this AX to the base E equal to what is that right side you can say? That is your rho g by this P naught into dx integration is what? AX plus C, right? Now tell me, this is what you are having, right? Yet x equal to 0, what is that AX you can say? A na? That is at this top or at the bottom? At x equal to 0 means at the top, what is that you can say? At the top, what is that area? Area is nothing but your A na? Yes or no? Area is nothing but your A, you can say, if you just observe, right? So when you substitute that, what is that C you will be getting? Log A to the base A will be equal to rho g by this P naught into x is 0 plus C, right? This implies what is that C you can say? C is nothing but your log A to the base E na? Now substitute this, what is it you can say? This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 na? Substitute this at equation number 1 and 2. If you just observe, what is the general expression for this AX you are having? That log AX to the base E will be equal to which one? Rho g by this P naught into x plus what is that you can say? That is your log A to the base E, right? That is log A to the base E, right? Can you make it like this? Now you just bring it to this left hand side, what it will become? Log AX to the base E minus log A to the base E equal to what is it you can say? Rho g divided by this P naught into x. So log A minus log B to the same base, what is that you can write? We can write it as this log of this ax by this a. We can write it na log of this ax by this a to the base e equal to rho g divided by this p naught into x, you can say, right? So what is that ax divided by this a, you can say now, that is equal to e power that value now, what is that? Rho g divided by this p naught into x. Can we say it like this? Can you say it like this, all of you? So ax by this area at any distance x divided by which one? Divided by which one? So any section, right? Area at any section, right? What is that ax? You can say finally that ax will be equal to how much you are getting? That ax will be equal to green. Okay. That is ax will be equal to which one? This a into e power, what is that? Rho g by this p naught, right? Rho g by this p naught into what is that, you can say x. So now at the bottom you are asked to calculate na, at the bottom that x equal to that h, then what is that area at the bottom you are getting, if you just observe, that is equal to a into e power rho g h by this p naught. Got it now? Area at the bottom is rho g h by this p naught, you can say, right? Rho g h by this p naught, right? Which option is there? Rho g h by this p naught, is there any option? Rho g h by this p naught, right? Rho g h by this p naught, a into e power rho g h by this p naught, right? Which option is there, all of you? Which option is there now? C will be the option now. Is that clear, all of you, everyone? This one is a clear, right? So those who are noting, note it and tell me. You just note it and tell me, all of you. Right, note it and tell me. I don't know, 5 questions we'll do. So this is 2 more questions we'll do and we'll close after that, okay? Note it and tell me. So tomorrow onwards, this series will be continued in the special classes, all of you, right? So in Unacademy, search which one? Or in Google you search Rajendra Prasad Unacademy or Unacademy plus Rajendra Prasad, right? Or you can just go to this Unacademy app or Unacademy website and you search RP Civil. Then you can find my profile. In that you follow my community. There you will be getting all the updates, right? Daily classes updates you will be getting there, okay? Daily class links you will be getting in that. Daily class links you will be getting there, okay? Done everyone, this one? Shruti done? Right. This is also, once it is noted, tell me. The 7th slide, once it is noted, tell me. Note it and tell me, everyone, this one also. Clear now? Anyone having any doubt anywhere? Yeah, at x equal to 0 means x equal to 0 means a top na, Shruti. At the top, what is that area of cross section given? It is already given as A na. So at x equal to 0, what is that ax, you can say? A only, no, because it is at the top. Top area will be A only, no? It's not like that you are getting. I have written there also, that is top. Okay. Note this and tell this slide. First I'll do the GATE PYQs, then after that I'll go for the ESE PYQs. Okay, all of you. Sorry, first I'll go with ESE, then after that I'll go for GATE. Okay, done. Done this one, Shruti. Others also done. That SSC will be different, na? SSC will be different. That will be done in that SSC course. Okay, not here. Okay, this is GATE related, na? This is GATE ESE related. That is SSC related. Dakshin Engineering Junction. That is that channel. Na? In that channel we'll take. Other are SSC there also will take. In that SSC English goal only. In that goal only we'll take. Okay, those classes in that goal, these classes in this goal, right? Both are not in the same goal. I'll be sharing the links, don't worry. I'm keeping my status, or I'll be sharing in the community. Na? You are all following my community, right? In the Unacademy. There you can get every link. Done everyone? Shruti done? Right. Okay. This one, once this is noted, tell me, we'll try to move forward then. We'll try to move on to this 9th question and 10th question. I told you now 5 questions we'll solve today also. 2 more questions we'll solve and we'll close after that. The next 2 questions are very chota bacha questions only, don't worry. Note it and tell me. At the bottom means x will be starting from top, it will go up to the bottom, it will be 0 na? Yes or no? Sorry, h na? X equal to h means this will become this bottom location. If you substitute that x equal to h now, you will be getting this answer. Done? Right. So this is your 9th question, you can say. Solve this all of you. 2 minutes time I am giving. One minute time is there. Right? Okay. So here, what is that you can say, everyone? This is ninth varna. A bar of diameter 30 millimeter is subjected to a tensile load such that the measured extension on the gauge length of 200 millimeter is 0.99 millimeter and the change in the diameter is this much. Then the Poisson's ratio will be, right? This is your change in the diameter, this is your change in the length, right? This is your diameter, this is the length, right? Now tell me, right, what is that you can say if you just observe. Now tell me what is that, everyone? Poisson's ratio. That Poisson's ratio you are asked to identify now. What is the Poisson's ratio? Lateral strain, right? What is that? Lateral strain divided by this longitudinal strain. Yeah, Jagrati said correctly. What is that lateral strain? Change in the diameter by this original diameter divided by which one? This change in the length by this original length, right? What is the change in the diameter? You can say change in the diameter is 0.0045 na? 0.0045 divided by original diameter is what? 30 millimeter. So divided by change in the length is how much? 0.09 and original length is how much? 200 millimeter gauge length na? 200 millimeter gauge length you can say. Now tell me this Poisson's ratio, how much it comes to be? Now tell me Poisson's ratio, how much it comes to be, all of you? 1/3 na? Is it not that 1/3, all of you? Yes, it is 1/3, right? Is there any option with 1/3? Yes, 1/3 option will be there, right? That is your option B is the correct answer, na? Option B will be the correct answer, right? That is clear? This is question number 10, right? Last question for today. Select the answer of you. So after this we'll stop. These discussions also we had in our plus class, right? See, you know, in this ESE 1995, 13 questions are given from this first chapter of strength of materials. You imagine how much important this is. Only from the first chapter itself, 13 questions are given. You understand how much important it is. Structural's point of view, sorry, ESE examination and state examinations and SSCG examination, except GATE remaining all examinations you are having now, structural subjects are very important, you can say, right? You cannot neglect them. This is 11th slide. You forgot this discussion, all of you? Did you forget this discussion, everyone? Okay. A mild steel is nothing but your ductile material or brittle material it is. Mild steel is nothing but your ductile material. Whenever it is a ductile material, what is that you can say if you just observe? Ductile material means it is strong in what? It is strong in tension. And what is that you can say? These are moderate in what? Moderate or equally strong, right? Equally strong in what? Equally strong in what? Compression. And weak in what? They are weak in shear, no? So whenever they are weak in shear means if at all shear is created, failure will be according to the shear, no? If at all shear will be created, failure will be according to the shear only, no? So then if a shear occurs, right, what is it you can say? If a shear occurs, it fails in shear only or not? It fails in shear only directly. It fails in the shear only directly, right? So whenever it is subjected to which one? This is a torsion, na? Torsion, right? Whenever it is a torsion, right, how it comes to be if you just observe for this torsion? This is your T torsion is equal to the twisting moment, na? Now whenever you are considering an element here, right, how can you consider this element if you just observe? whenever you are considering an element here, right, what is that? This is how this shear will occur na. So this vertical shear will be the primary shear, and this horizontal shear will be the secondary shear, complementary shear, right? Yes na. So now what happens? This is a shear occurring na. This is what you are having this for shear, or not everyone, right? This is what you are having for this shear, all of you, right? So whenever you are having this for shear, right, how the cutting will occur? Obviously this will be subjected to cutting like this na. Yes or no? This will be cutting like this, or not everyone, right? It will be cutting like this na. In this manner shear failure only will occur. There is no tension compression again, right? Got it? So which one is the correct answer now? Option A will be the correct answer or not? Option A will be the correct answer, right? You have to be careful. Got it? Got it now, all of you? When this third one will occur, see, if you are applying the tension, this kind of failure will occur. Right? If you are applying the tension, this kind of failure will occur. It is also shear failure only. Do you recollect now? Could you realize we have discussed this point already? We have discussed these things already in our plus class, right? So I'll be closing the session. Thank you, all of you. From 11th question onwards, we'll be discussing in only special classes from tomorrow onwards. Okay? From special classes only, we'll be discussing from tomorrow the remaining questions, right? Up to the end of this August. So all of you, those who are attending the YouTube, you just come to special class and attend there. Okay? Thank you, all of you.